Another day, another story. Welcome, subscribers. Today, we're going to talk about the fascinating history of KFC, one of the most beloved fast food chains in the world. KFC, or Kentucky Fried Chicken, is known for its delicious fried chicken, sides, and sauces, and it has a long and interesting history that spans over several decades. The story of KFC began in the 1930s when a man named Harland Sanders, also known as Colonel Sanders, started cooking fried chicken at a gas station in Kentucky. The chicken was so delicious that people started coming from all over to try it. Eventually, Sanders opened up a restaurant, and the rest, as they say, is history. In 1952, Sanders franchised his restaurant and began expanding his business across the United States. By the 1960s, KFC had become a national brand and was one of the most successful fast food chains in the country. In 1964, Sanders sold the company to a group of investors for $2 million. Under new ownership, KFC continued to expand and innovate. In the 1970s, the company introduced its famous "Finger Lickin' Good" slogan and began marketing its chicken as a fun and tasty meal for the whole family. KFC also introduced new menu items, such as the Chicken Little Sandwich and the famous bowl. In the 1980s and 1990s, KFC faced increasing competition from other fast food chains, and sales began to decline. To try to regain its footing, the company experimented with new menu items, such as grilled chicken and spicy chicken, and launched new advertising campaigns to appeal to younger consumers. In the 2000s, KFC underwent a major rebranding effort, dropping the name Kentucky Fried Chicken and replacing it with the abbreviated KFC. The company also introduced a new logo and updated its restaurants with a modern, streamlined design. Today, KFC is still one of the most popular fast food chains in the world, with thousands of locations in over 140 countries. The company continues to innovate and expand, introducing new menu items and opening new restaurants in markets around the globe. In conclusion, the story of KFC is one of entrepreneurship, innovation, and perseverance. From a small gas station in Kentucky to a global fast food empire, KFC has come a long way over the past several decades. And with its delicious fried chicken, sides, and sauces, it's sure to continue to be a favorite among fast food lovers for many years to come. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.